Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you so much for joining me for another Facebook Live and video tutorial today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that next Thursday, February 16th, we're going to have our February card class. We'll have an ordering special and lots of good stuff. So it's the Petal Park Suite that we're going to be focusing on. So make sure to check back next Thursday at noon. If you're watching on Facebook, I'll post it right afterwards. Okay, so today I wanted to feature the Lucky Clover stamp set. Now this came in a bundle with the punch. The punch is unfortunately sold out, but it's okay because it just punches out this one clover, and that can easily be done. I cut one out today, so not hard, only takes like 45 seconds. So I think we can handle that. So we're gonna make a fun St. Patrick's Day card. Okay, so let's start with a little bit of stamping. We've got a piece of Granny Apple Green, and I'm gonna take Granny Apple Green ink. And I'm going to take the smaller clover. Now in here, this is great because it's got a large, medium, small, and then like a little sprinkling of clovers too. But I'm just going to take this one, the small one, and I'm going to kind of go around the edge, and what I do is rotate my paper. And I just want a light look on my clovers. Okay. That's all I'm going to do on that. And then we're going to, I don't know, our tornado sirens are going off again. Further test. Okay, so we're going to glue this on a thick basic white card base. Let's get this going here. All right. Super quick and easy to do. Now I have a piece of basic white, and I've cut it out with the Scallop Contours dies. And we're just going to adhere this right in the middle. It already looks cute, doesn't it? Okay, now I have a piece of designer paper. This is from I think it's from the Dandy Designs that's in the Celebration catalog. So this is actually a really big pack of paper. So it's free with a $100 order. If you place that $100 order before the end of the month. So keep that in mind, Dandy Designs. Now I'm going to take a piece of basic white and garden green. I want a nice dark green for my big clover. We're going to stamp that right on there. Nice. And then we're going to cut it out. So what I did right before I filmed, I cut one out. So you didn't have to watch me cut because, you know, that's boring. Okay, we are also going to stamp on a strip of garden green. So if I have, these are kind of that's not very straight. These are my Granny Apple Green colors. And if I'm bringing in a darker color, I want to have another little piece of that color somewhere. So we're going to stamp our sentiment on there. And I'm just going to do the Happy St. Patrick's Day with Versamark. And we are going to heat emboss that with some white embossing powder. First, we're going to use our embossing buddy. Oh no, I still need that. I'm not done. I'm not done with my embossing yet. Let's see if we can get this stamped on here pretty straight. Oh, that looks pretty good. I will take that. Okay. So we're going to use some white powder. I just refilled my white powder, lots to work with. I love it when I have a big bowl of embossing powder. We're going to heat this. Just bear with me for a second. Okay, it always takes a minute when our heat tools are starting out from being cold. Okay, I'm going to flag my ends. And we are going to pop these up with some dimensionals. And I am also going to pop this one up. Let's do 1, 2, we'll do 3 on here. Okay. I like the dark green on my Clover because it stands out better against this designer paper, which is a little busy. Cute. Okay, we've got to bling it up a little bit. I've got a piece of the Simply Elegant gold trim, and I'm just going to tie this right around my stem, and that way I don't even have to, you know, glue it down or anything. I'm just going to tie it right to my stem. Cute. Okay, let's trim that off. Those are a little crazy. Okay, and I think we need some gold sequins. Here they are. These came out of the new Subtles adhesive back sequins. They come pink, blue, and gold. I love these things. As you can see, I've used most of them. And put a small one right there, a big one right in the middle. And then let's do our center. Now I should have done this first. Hopefully one won't mess up. I'm just going to put Sending Luck and Love right there. And let's just, for good measure, this was in Grainy Apple Green. We'll just add a little shamrock right there. So cute. We'll do one more. Sometimes I just, you know, we got to know when to stop, but sometimes you just want a little bit more. All right. I mean, how quick and cute was that? I need to go down there. There we go. So much fun. I mean, who wouldn't want to get one of those? I love it. This is really great because not only is it for St. Patrick's Day, it's good luck, sending luck and love, and then a good friend is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. So this could be used all year long. But I love the clovers. We rarely get clover stamp sets. So if you love the clovers, make sure to get them now. And it's celebration. So for every 50 you spend, you get something free out of the celebration catalog. Or you can, if you spend 100, you can get this huge pack of designer paper, 48 sheets. So yeah, it's a great time to place your orders, stock up on supplies. Also, if you are interested in saving money on your orders, you know, the starter kit is a great purchase right now. It's $99. You get to pick $175 worth of product. You also have the option to pay an extra $30 and get the new mini Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine, either boho blue or white, and they're normally $63. So it is a great deal, and once you purchase the starter kit, you can keep saving on your orders. So, I mean, who doesn't want to save money? I do. I want to save money. My team likes saving money, so we'd love to have you on our team. We have monthly meetings. We have a lot of fun. So, yeah. If you have any questions, just post below. And let's see who we have on. We've got Kat on. I'm going to see if I can see my my comments here. Hi, Kat. I can't see. There's somebody else on there. Oh, Teresa. Hi, Teresa. Kathy. Hi, Kathy. Hope everybody's having a good day. We had a lot of rain yesterday, and finally it stopped. I mean, it was a lot of rain. So, yeah, good to have a dry day. All right. Thanks, everybody, for stopping by, and I will see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.